Hi everyone, and welcome to your final day of our 7-day heart-opening meditation and movement series. I greatly appreciate you for joining me, something that I don't normally offer on my YouTube channel as I have very limited meditation videos, but a series that I was feeling that we all could use to implement into our lives and learn more about being still while opening our hearts. So happy day 7. If you're doing this with me live, happy Valentine's Day. And if you're not, don't forget, you can always be full of love, not just on a regulated holiday. So we have entered our final 10 minutes. This is where we've worked up to from 5 to 10 minutes of being still. So I invite you to grab your 2 blocks if you have them, or a large cushion or a few towels, and you can even place them next to each other like this. So we're going to kind of create our own bolster today. Now, I'm just grabbing a blanket that's right off my couch, so nothing fancy. And you can fold it in half, just like this, maybe 1 time or 2 times, or you can even give it another fold to really cushion your blocks if you want to, okay? So from there, I'm gonna have a seat. And again, the goal is that you've learned how to sit comfortably for this period of time so that you're not having to fidget. If you really need to take this on your back, that's fine. You're more than welcome to lie down, especially if it hurts you to sit up straight, or even standing if you prefer not to sit, if you do a lot of that in your everyday. If you are standing, you can stand up against a wall or just make sure the ground beneath your feet feels comfortable. I invite you to 10 minutes of meditation with me seated here. Feel free to press pause if you don't have your seat prepared yet. And we'll start now. Close your eyes. I am full of joy that I've reached this place with you guys where we can comfortably sit for this period of time together. I'm excited that I kind of joined you on this journey by performing all of the breath and length of time needed to be quiet and still together. And that hopefully we've all learned how to implement this more than just in this seated period, but in other aspects of our life to keep us calm, rooted, grounded, and open. Breathe in for a count of 3, 2, 1. Out for 3, 2, 1. Let's add the hold at the top. 3, 2, 1. Hold your breath. 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 3, 2, 1. Let's add the hold at the bottom. 2. Inhale. 3, 2, 1. Hold breath. 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 3, 2, 1. Breath stays out. 3, 2, 1. Normal inhale. Normal exhale. Continue breathing. Maybe you've already moved today, so the idea of sitting is a little easier. Maybe you haven't moved today, and you're just starting to trigger the power in your brain. You're waking yourself up. Maybe it's still dark out. Maybe you're in that midday, get my head in the right place feeling. Emotions are tugging at you that don't need to be, and instead, you took it upon yourself to sit quietly and for 10 minutes, working on the most basic form of meditation, just a quiet breath, pairing it with pranayama and allowing your stillness. Breathing in for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's lengthen. 5, 4, 3, 2. Exhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 6, 5. Feel the breath keep coming. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 6, 5, 4. Don't feel rushed. 2, 1. We're going to go to 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Keep coming. Exhale, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Finishing with 8, 7. Keep pulling your breath in. Beautiful. 5, 4, 3, 2. Lung capacity. 8, 7, 6. Slow down your exhales. Beautiful. 3, 2. Normal inhale. Normal exhale. Let's do an inhale through the nose. And then open mouth. Yes. Enjoy your exhale right there. Check in with your alignment. Is your heart moving forward? Are your shoulders moving back and down? Do you feel a sense of freedom and trust in your body to be quiet in the place that you've chosen to be in? Again, no need for anything right now. Just the desire to sit quietly. You're more than welcome to switch the cross of your legs at any time, which I'm going to do now just to kind of let my ankles settle a little differently. Doesn't take away from the meditation. It just creates comfort and offers a stretch in a different manner. If you're standing instead of sitting, make sure you're rooted through both feet evenly, not leaning or swaying. And if you're on your back, check in. Make sure you're awake. Good. Continue breathing. Continue being aware of this moment, of this place that you've brought yourself to. Good. We're going to inhale, lengthen, lengthen, lengthen until we finish and hold the breath out. So it's an inhale, 3, 2, 1. Hold the breath, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep the breath out, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. One more time. Inhale longer. 4, 3, 2. Hold your breath, please. 5, 4, 3, 2. Exhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Finishing with the breath out. 7, 6. You're beautiful. 4, 3, 2. Normal inhale. Breathe in. Blow out a fake candle in front of you. Yes, normal breath. Right hand to heart, left hand to belly. The metta of meditation, your heart. This idea of offering love. Metta meditation can be done as an offering for the self or for the community. A sense of purpose of I am loved, I am beautiful, I am strong, or we are beautiful, we are loved, we are strong, or directing it towards projecting this energy to someone else. You are beautiful, you are loved, you are strong. Continuing to hold right hand to heart, left hand to belly. With every inhale, you say the words I am. With every exhale, you choose the word you place there. Inhale, I am. Choose your word. One more. Switch it to we are. Choose your word. We are. Choose your word. We are. Choose your word. Last time, you are. Exhale, choose your word. You are. Choose your word. Last time, you are. Choose your word. I am, we are, you are. So much more to grow from that. Let the hands rest back in the lap. As we start to close this 10 minutes together, I just want you to relax. You explored so much in so little time and so few days. Checking in with mind, body, breath. Are they communicating with each other? Maybe you enjoyed breaking it up into 3, 3, 3, or 5 and 2, or like today, we just sat for 10. How are you noticing that you're able to enjoy the meditation and want to be in it longer? Hands to heart center. I appreciate your attention to this time together. Blink your eyes open. Namaste. Really beautiful work. I appreciate you guys for joining me for these 7 days. And if you just jumped in today and didn't get to do the first 6 days or all of them together, please feel free to start this series whenever you wish and share it with others who may need a very novice, gentle approach to meditation and just learning to be quiet while allowing the heart to open. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for joining me. And please always feel free to comment below or share any of these videos. Thank you, everyone.